The Kansas Division of Vehicles has demanded the immediate surrender of some vehicles. Kansas residents whose ID does not reflect the sex they were assigned at birth are subject to this new law. This law goes into immediate effect with no grace period. Residents are highly encouraged to check the validity of their IDs to avoid being subject to penalties. In Kansas, driving without a valid driver's license is a Class B misdemeanor. Offenders are subject to 6 months in jail and a $1,000 fine. Letters were sent to Kansas residents the KDV deems impacted by this law. One paragraph reads, "If you have received this notice, our records indicate that upon publication of this law in the Kansas Register on Thursday, February 26, 2026, your current Kansas credential will no longer be valid. Additionally, please note that the legislature did not include a grace period for updating credentials. This means that once the law is officially enacted, your current credential will be invalid immediately, and you may be subject to additional penalties if you are operating a vehicle without proper credentials." Residents impacted have expressed their frustration with the law. Some feel it's an attack on their rights, while others claim voter suppression. Why does it feel like no one cares if we live or die? I am so tired of watching my rights disappear. I am so tired of fighting alone. An online comment read. Some social media users have took it upon themselves to break down the distribution and were outraged by what they discovered. This letter was sent to 1,500 people across the entire state, and Kansas has a population of about 3 million people. This is a targeted attack against 0.05% of the entire population, one account claims. Some Kansas residents feel this is an attack to drive transgender individuals out of the state. However, residents are facing these challenges with defiance. I'm a fifth-generation Kansan and trans. They're trying to make it so hostile to live here that we all leave. This is my home. This is where I belong. You aren't ever going to force me out. Residents are instructed to surrender their current ID to be replaced with an updated version.